Cairn Mount in the Van this weekend. Get a nice camp. Maybe do a bit of walking in that. See how he feels anyway. Cracking views up here though. Really good up here. Nice chilly wind too. The views are unbelievable though, to be honest. What a nice clear day. A bit chilly like but Scotland, is it? It's going to be. She's getting no bad sunset up here. Decent like. Now we'll just have to find a spot to park the van up for the night. Get back into the van. See where we can park up for the night. Oh, it's yourself! Oh, very nice.
A limo.
Well, this is tonight's camp spot. Cairn Mount. What are you laughing at? Wee fella. We're just going to stay here tonight. This is the best spot for miles around. So that sky. What are you saying? Are you happy with the spot tonight, mate? You happy? Am I getting a thumbs up?
Huh?
Am I getting a thumbs up for the spot? You just want to get the dinner on here. We'll get your dinner on, mate.
No, I just want to watch a movie and get sweets.
Yeah, so we'll get the dinner on for the wee fella. Some tomato soup with crunchy bread.
Lunch again.
Yeah, tomato soup with crusty bread.
Here's my dad making our dinner. Yum yum.
Be ready in a minute, mate.
Tomato soup and tiger bread.
Just take that one right, to the left. Yeah, just go along here. We'll try and see if we can see you over the hill a bit. Is it? Let's try and find out. That sky.
That water effect.
No, I'll not do work on that, mate. It's too dark.
Yeah, it does.
Does it? you doing?
No, I don't want my flash on.
It's dark, mate.
How do you turn it off?
No, we'll have it when we go back, mate. Yeah, it's just because it's getting in the winter, mate, is it? Look at that though. The stars are coming out and the moon's out. Beautiful. There you go, mate, you go first.
Oh, right, thanks. Yeah, go to dead end.
Ah, there's a wee track here, is there? Or is it a dead end? It's just a wee track, is it? Is there a track here? Out having another wander. See if we can get a better shot of the sunset. Hey, Will.
I can make the sun.
It's going to be a cracking night tonight. The stars are out already, the moon's out. I get back to the van soon and get the tea on, eh? It's going to be a cold one tonight. It's chilly.
Look, Dad.
But, spongy.
What happens if I just fall down?
Oof. Walking back to the van in the dark. Got a couple of wee torches. Should be alright. We're getting some beautiful shots with the sun going down over there. The wee man's still taking pictures with his torch and his camera. Yeah, I'm here, mate. We'll get back to the van and we'll get some tea on, eh? Yeah. It's just because it's dark early now, mate, eh? Van's not too far away, so we'll get there. Let me get this fire on, mate. Bought this wee thing off Amazon. You cold, mate?
Yeah.
We'll get this fire going, eh?
Really cool. You about to start the fire?
Yeah, in a minute, mate.
Okay. What are these for?
So just for putting the fire up, mate.
I'm just gonna leave you to it.
Right, time to get a wee fire going. Warm up a bit and get some tea cooked on it. Decent wee fire things these like. Sure, I seen Monty outdoors with it, so I thought I'd have a wee look on Amazon and pick myself one up. Good for parking up in the van and just getting a wee fire going at the side. So we'll get back to this, getting the fire going properly and getting some tea on. The wee man's hot dogs on. Go on to that side. Wee ridge monkey, can't go wrong with that. How's the hot dogs, mate? All good. Nice and simple, eh? Get some burgers on, get some cheeseburgers going. Oh, my new chair. Perfect. Got the wee ridge monkey on the go, spot on. been watching people using these wee fire pit things for a while now, and I thought,
got me on the go feeder.
yep, and I thought I'd get myself one and give it a wee try, and it's spot on, perfect for outside the road. Having fun, Will?
But I'm cold.
You're cold? You can't be cold. You're sitting too close to the fire, boy.
I'm still cold.
Aw. Once the burgers are cooked, we'll get the fire up a bit more.
Okay.
Well, time to enjoy a wee tin iron brew and a wee muffin. You alright in there, Will?
Yeah.
Beautiful views. Can't beat a bit of van camping. If you've got a wee van, get it kitted out. It'll change your life. The fun you could have with your kids. Go away camping for a night and that. Special, making memories. The kids love it. Everybody likes a bit of wild camping, but go out in the van camping and it opens up a lot more distance to travel. Get to see some nice places. And just stealth campings. Nice wee sweet spots right on the harbour. Wee seaside towns. Or up in the car park in the mountains. Beautiful. Right, that's what cooked up our tea. It's getting dark. Look at him, he's in a disco in there.
Look.
He's in a disco. The fire's going to burn out. Where am I?
Look at this. There.
We're just going to let the fire burn out. Get the bed made. Chill out. Maybe watch a movie.
Van.
Depends what the gaffer wants, eh? Get some munchies on the go.
Gaffer, what's that?
You're the boss, mate.
Am I? I thought you were saying the house. you're the boss.
I'm the boss in the house, aye.
Doesn't Mum
Aye,
say
so
that? Doesn't Mum say
yeah.
she's the boss too?
So we'll let the fire burn out. I'll keep an eye on it just now until it goes right out, but we'll get the bed pulled out for the wee man to chill it in.
I've got fireman's
And we'll bring you back once we're all inside the van. Right, we're going to show you the sleep system just before we get cosied in for the night. We'll take you around the back of the van. Right, you cosy, Will? Right, Will's sleeping in the Terra Hiker. It's duck down sleeping bag at night. That's actually a pretty cosy sleeping bag. I've got the OEX. That's actually, I think it's synthetic, but it is cosy. We've got the, what is that again? The Zephyrback duck down blanket. That's cosy. Slept under it the other night when I was out at work.
Hello.
We've got the water boiling. We're going to fill a couple of Nalgene bottles, put them at the bottoms of the sleeping bag. Generates so much heat up the sleeping bag through the night, which is actually pretty
Why
good.
have you got so much water?
You need plenty of water, mate.
True.
We've got our tartan blanket down on the bed. Keeps us cosy too. We'll be cosy the night, eh, Will?
It's so soft too.
Yeah. So that's that fire truly, well and truly burnt out. Well, wee bit of smouldering, but that'll burn out itself. Then we'll get cosied in, mate, eh? It's been a good place for a camp, cracking views. Will's been taking some cracking pictures with the sunset and that with his phone, so maybe put a couple of their pictures up at the end of the video too. Show you, it's pretty cool. We'll get this water boiled. I don't think he's interested in watching a film, so I've got a series I'm watching on Netflix, so I'll just batter that on and watch a bit of that. Get cosied up with some munchies. We'll see you in the morning. How'd you like your scrambled eggs, William?
Good.
Well, that's another successful van camp done. Me and the wee fella, although he's still lying in the bed just now. Nice night, got a nice sunset in the distance. A bit of a windy night, but it was decent. Had a nice campfire with some good food.
Yep.
Yeah, it was a good fire, if you want to see more of this content from the channel, subscribe and hit that bell and you'll get notified every time I upload something. Thanks again for watching.